high-speed dubbing time. Okay, so what you're going to need is one of these fellas. And then you're also going to need a blank tape. And then you're going to need a deck that has, also that's plugged in, but a deck that has high-speed dubbing. Ooh, and something to play audio out of, obviously. So, if you don't know what high-speed dubbing is, it's usually when you take a tape, put it in your B deck, and then you click high-speed dubbing, and it'll, at double speed, rip it over to the other tape. So what you'll want to do is put your tape in, line it up, so I'm just going to let it go for a little bit. Usually I'd have fold back. Look, see? Just guessed it. Okay. Anyway, so what you'll want to then do is get your car CD device, or whatever you shall call it, and run it into here. And then have your output into your computer or sound card of choice. Okay, so then you'll select high dubbing. Now here's the trick. What you'll want to do is take your track and pitch it up, various speed, various pitch, whatever, and pitch it up to. And then you got a hyperpop song. Anyway, so what you'll then do is you can just give it a quick run through just to adjust your levels, and this is good because you can't usually adjust your levels with high speed dubbing, but with this you can. Now that you've got your track routed out of your sound card of choice into the B side, into the lovely these thing right here, and with those two steps you also have your song pitched up to 2, so that'll be 12 half tones or whatever, a whole octave. Okay, so you want to click high speed dubbing. Okay, and it's dubbing, and then you just press play on the song. After you've made that hyperpop banger, you should be able to go back to the start of the tape and press play, and you'll get your shit double speeded onto the tape when it wants to play. And that's how you do digital high-speed dubbing. Yeah. Very cool. I recommend it. I recommend it.